Hello guys, hope you're doing well. This is CyberRanges intro. Let's go with this CyberRange main app. So what you need to do here is just register for an account here. Just fill your details here, then come back and log in. So I'll just do this and then we'll continue. So what you need to do now is just log in here from with the account that you created. I'm gonna type that again. Then engage. We're in, guys. You can watch this and getting started, and I can close it. So what you'll notice there is there are things that you can do. You can monitor server logs with log.io, log analysis with logwatch, enforce, password complexity. It's getting weird. You can go to library, you can search for anything that you want to do. So there are so many labs here. You can have Wireshark pickup analysis. This is a log file that you collected using Wireshark. And this allows you to have a touch on security and how security is and anything that you need to know for a start. And it goes to advanced level. You can see this is compete level. You can see the people who are doing this and the time of duration that they've worked on this. It is a good software, I might say. So the people who are in the leaderboard, but that is not of interest to us. You can also create your own team or join your team so that you can work together. If you're working on some similar tasks, you can do that. Let me try this. So this is no, let's find something else. You can search something here. No, I can search. Yeah, here we have the log analysis. We can try this one. You'll see this button where you can start, but before you go there, make sure that you read what this is about. Yeah, so that you understand what this will entail. So in this case, this is a Ninja Bank website that was hacked using an SQLI, and the attacker gained the shell access. The web developer in this case required time to redesign the website, which will take a couple of months. So IT team decided to install a website application firewall to protect this website. So in this case, they chose mod security, and you might be asking the questions that what firewall did these guys install? And if you haven't read this and you haven't seen it in your logs, it will be very difficult for you to know. So what you need here is go ahead and start. Another thing you need to do here is read this. Take your time, guys. Read this, then the rules, so that you understand how to go about this, and then continue. It's creating actually, so make sure you read this and before you start. So once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click the start button to start your analysis. Once again, I said that you can see from the mission what is the purpose of this. So we are looking at listing the URLs that are targeted by the attacker and identify those requests, counting the number of valid and denied requests. So we are going to use the get and post to check this. Yeah. So you might be asked what was the time of the attack when this took place, and also the request related to web application admin login page. That's it, guys. So let's now go ahead to the questions. This is the IP address. Actually, you can telnet this from your Linux machine. So SSH rather, and use this to log in. Or you can just come here and you'll be able to access the servers from here. So these are the username and the password. You might not be told that, but just make sure that click here and it's just to show. I think I logged in already. Yeah, already I logged in. So guys, we'll use that to get your commands and to get your solutions to these questions. Sorry for that. Questions are here. So in this case, you are asked you analyze this file. How many number of posts and get requests are found? Choose the correct output. I don't know if you can select this, but I'll try.